Is this on? Is this fucking thing on? Yeah. Previously on Kimba TV. Okay. Get nasty with the chinchillas. Hands up if you were here yesterday and you feel nasty Bugatti. Bug says so 75 got support. I don't know. Do you believe the last 30 minutes before traditional markets close? Yeah. Okay. How we doing? Okay, let's do roll call real quick. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. And Adrian and Shaggy and QQ, just DM me on Discord your USDT address, por favor, senors. Happy Saturday, y'all. Let me take care of the homies real quick. Let me do the thing right now.
Music is louder than your voice.
All right, Adrian, I'm firing off your 400 right now. Okay, so Adrian, yours is fired off, and then I'll send you a little heart. Shaggy, let's go, Shaggy. All right, 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. Let me send Shaggy his 200. All right, Shaggy, yours is processed. Shaggy, yours is sent as well. Congratulations. Far says if 64.5 gets swept, can that be another long for you? W Juicin. If 64, for me, and I don't want to, I think that's an interesting level, Cypher, but for me personally, I'm not really interested in trying to chase any more longs. I already have my MEXC long, and like 30% maybe got TP'd already or something like that. But whether it's a sweep of 70,300 or it's 72,000, I'm probably maybe trying to look for shorts. Yeah, maybe even like 69,000 or 70,000 on some like 886 bullshit. Do you see all the fib levels that I pulled here? I have the smaller time frame local one, and then I have the bigger one. And can you see where the bad highs are? So it pixel perfected 786. You see that, right? So it would be nice to maybe sweep that, do some 886 shit, you know, and still be able to maybe get into like I'm in a little bit of a short already. But remember how I said I think I'm gonna have another chance to get in? Maybe it sweeps the sweep, and maybe it sweeps on CME on all-time highs. So all three of those big levels, I'm kind of interested in seeing if I have an edge to short. Alrighty. Yeah, because what I would actually want to see is maybe a poo-poo to like 50K. 49.1. Clip it. I would love to, and then, but here's the thing, you know, your boy is also gonna be long in that bitch. Oh yeah. But I would love another opportunity to long or get, I don't want to say spot buy temporarily, because I mean, maybe for some alts and shit coins, maybe. And if Bitcoin ever does a pullback to like 49.1, whatever that correlative level is for like ETH, for example, I'm probably long in that bitch. Whatever the correlative level is for DOT, I'm probably long in that bitch. But I don't know. We'll see. So could it go to like 64.5 and have like a $2,000 bounce, because that's kind of normal now. You know, while I'm in a short from like 71,000, could it go to 64, bounce to like 67 before it comes back down again? Sure. And could you take that long? Sure. But kind of hard to anticipate that just kind of without the data. So that's how I would probably answer it, brother. But we'll probably be streaming though while it's happening. Bugatti money. Christopher Crippen, thank you for the resub. 60, calling noob. Deox says I took a bad long from 69,000 being stuck from yesterday. I closed it on loss, and it's okay. Took waiting to take a short too. I see you, Deox. Yeah, and I would not be. That's kind of top longish, but that's okay, brother. And I love that you manned up and just took the loss and closed it. But let's see. Watchmaker says there's huge liquidity at 51K. If it gets there, that pushes to 48K. Yes, sir. Yeah, but let's just take it one level at a time. You know what I'm saying, Watchmaker? And it's not like I'm in a giant short right now anyways, so I still need to get like filled and see exactly if we're going to hold this high, and this is the higher time frame 3 drives play, which means that 786 to 886 could be like a possible entry with a higher high as their stop loss. Anybody thinking about doing that? I really don't want to do that if it's over the weekend, but if the CME is back Sunday night, Monday morning type of shit, maybe. I think I'm gonna wake up hella early on Monday, y'all, if you guys are down. Are you guys signed up for the poker tourney? You guys good to go? You know I'm gonna start it at 4:20, right? That's in 10 minutes. We're starting the poker tournament in 10 minutes. Pino says, would you expect a similar pullback on S&P, in that case, a correlation? Yeah, but it could be like a 5,200 to 4,900 drop, and so it won't drop as bad on S&P most likely, Pino. But I'm also gonna take it day by day on the Bugammas. You know what I mean, Pino? Especially with CPI coming out and then FOMC the week after, and then in between we have quarterly options expirations. Crypto Dama says, I need lettuce before tourney. Go, 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 go. I'm starting this bitch in 9 minutes. Oh, what happened right there? Holy shit, review hand. Oh, this is sick. Molly with ace king? Queen jack, ace 10? Okay. So Molly, you pushed. Oh no, you went 800. Who went all in here? Okay. MEXC went all in with ace 10 offsuit. 0.786 was already all in. Okay. Wow. Molly, were you a little bit like, what the fuck if a 7 comes? 8, 9, 10 jack. Holy shit. Good shit. Mandelo says 1.7K Binancio Magneto at 69065. You guys see it? There's 1,700 Bitcoin being shorted at 69,065 on Binance. Right in the 75786. Skip Moha. Dad says, did I miss any TA regarding a short at the Golden Poquito? No. It is the weekend. Those are not the greatest. So just be careful of like this here where... But that getting swept is pretty interesting. Yeah, that's about it. And then obviously, did you hear me talk about the 1,700 Bitcoin short at 69,065 on Binance? Binancio Magneto at the right at the 75786.
My husband likes lettuce with a rice paper blend.
You thought I was away, mates? I'm back again, mates. Banned. If you not juicing, you hoeing, mates. We liquidate all kangaroos from the land down under, mate.
Oh shit.
Can't get a pocket hand for my life. I'm retiring from poker.
Shout out Cage Wins.
No se habla español.
Oh my god. Amalise is all in. Here we go. I gotta get out of here, ladies and
Stop
gentlemen.
abusing me.
I hope he calls.
Known High Roll says, I hope you call XCOG. Okay. Pocket eights? Amalise? Okay.
Let us MDRFGR, the math is the math.
Shout out Skip Moha. Here we go.
Mate, you hoeing, mate, you not even juicing common, mate, don't bleed, mate, go to the gate at night at 8.
Oh!
Oh.
Wow! Amalise!
Keep tickling my pickle.
He had hope.
TTS in the chat to say something ridiculous.
That turn! That turn really brought an ace, huh?
Volatility.
Whoa!
Ah. Okay. I'm out.
Wow. Okay, so XCOG, congratulations. Known High Roll, congratulations, brother.
Thank you. I tried my best. He was better than me.
It's the simulation.
XCOG, Known High Roll, DM me on Discord.
You've got to be joking.
So I can figure out what the prize pool is going to be. You're not in XCOG. Are you playing the second one? Known High Roll, you're not playing the second one, right?
No, I am not.
Okay, you're going to go to bed probably, right?
Paper poker.
Yes, I am.
All right, brother. Hey, get some rest, and then we'll regroup either tomorrow or Monday so I can send you your prize, okay?
Yeah, I will do.
Why, mate?
More poker
You
tournaments with
liquidated,
you.
mate?
It's pretty fun. Thank you.
Yeah.
I sent you my text on Discord.
Okay, perfect. TRC20. But I'll figure out how much to send you like either tomorrow or Monday. So try to be around, just like how I did with like Amalise.
Okay, no problem.
Yep, we'll have fun with it. Okay, have a great weekend, brother.
Thank you. You too.
Yep.
Have a great stream.
You too, brother.
Stop
Bye.
using TTS
Bye.
for random shizzle, please.
Okay, so congratulations to Amalise.
Refresh tournament webpage के एक M6
All right, let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, longers, I'm rooting for you. Shorters, I'm rooting for you. Bulls, Bears, we're all Lions. Sato, tell them what happens if they don't use stop loss. He said he's gonna smack the shit out of you. He said he's gonna smack the shit out of you. Ladies and gentlemen, I had an amazing time. Have a great night. Have a great weekend. Probably see you guys tomorrow, I think. But, get nasty. Have a great night, y'all. Peace, everybody.